Hello friends, I'm back with another video. In this video, we will be talking about school. I hope you enjoy it. Stay with me. School. School. A place where students receive education from teachers. My children go to school every weekday. Refers to an institution for education. College. An institution for higher education, often after high school, offering degrees. She plans to attend college next year. Refers to post-secondary education. University. An institution of higher education offering undergraduate and postgraduate degrees. I graduated from the university in 2015. Refers to an advanced educational institution. Preschool. A school for young children before they enter formal education, typically for ages 3 to 5. My daughter goes to preschool to prepare for kindergarten. Refers to education before primary school. Classroom. A room where classes are held and learning takes place. The teacher entered the classroom to start the lesson. Refers to a room for teaching. Student. A person who is studying at a school, college, or university. There are 30 students in my class. Refers to a person learning at an institution. Book. A set of written or printed pages bound together, used for reading or study. I need to return this library book. Refers to a physical or digital source of written information. Notebook. A book of blank pages for taking notes. I wrote all the lecture notes in my notebook. Refers to a book for recording information. Bag. A container used for carrying items, often used by students to hold books and supplies. I forgot my school bag at home. Refers to an item used to carry things. Pen. A writing instrument that uses ink. Can I borrow your pen to sign this document? Refers to an ink writing tool. Pencil. A writing instrument made of wood and graphite, used for writing or drawing. You should use a pencil for your math work. Refers to a tool for writing or drawing. Eraser. A tool used to remove pencil marks from paper. I made a mistake, so I need an eraser. Refers to an object that removes pencil marks. Marker. A writing instrument with a thick tip, often used for highlighting or drawing. Use a marker to write on the whiteboard. Refers to a thick-tipped writing tool. Homework. Assignments are tasks given to students to complete outside of class time. I have a lot of homework to do tonight. Refers to schoolwork done at home. History. The study of past events, particularly in human affairs. We are learning about ancient Egypt in history class. Refers to studying past events. Language. A system of communication used by a particular country or community. She speaks 3 languages, English, French, and Spanish. Refers to a system of communication. Class. A group of students meeting regularly to study a particular subject. We have math class at 9 a.m. Refers to a scheduled learning session. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our educational content. Support me by liking the videos, sharing them with your friends, and sharing your thoughts and questions in the comments. Let's learn together.